Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the Black Decker heater, portable heater, if it's not heating and not working. So the first thing that you can try, maybe it's going to work out, I hope it does, and this is something that I was like researching, just unplug it for let's say 15 minutes, let it completely cool down, and when you're gonna turn it off and unplug it for 15 minutes, then what you want to do is just plug it but in different outlet, and then in, let's say, in a different room. So to actually see if it's a problem directly with the product or if it's a problem regards the connection. So try it out. Maybe it's not going to help you. Maybe you're going to say that this is a useless video. I completely get it. I just wanted to share with you that maybe it came to your mind to just like try to unplug it for like 15 minutes, leave it cool down, and then plug it back on and just like turn it on. So this is something that you can try. Maybe it's going to work out. I hope it does. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.